how to add Ecwid store to WordPress. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to talk about this platform called WordPress, which is a website building platform. Now to add Ecwid, an e-commerce platform, to our website in WordPress, you're going to have to use plugins. Now keep in mind, to be able to use plugins, you're going to need to get a plan so that you would be able to access this feature. Now over here, we're going to click on plugins. And as you can see here, we have different plugins over here. Plugins are basically like applications that you could use to add more features to your WordPress website. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on our search bar and we're going to search for Ecwid. It's like that, and as you can see here, our first result is Ecwid e-commerce shopping cart. Now what you're going to do is simply install the specific plugin and then add it into your website. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.